Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your Opera GX laptop. First, ensure you have the Opera GX browser installed on your computer. Next, verify that your laptop meets Roblox's minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Finally, log in to your existing Roblox account or easily create a new one to begin your gaming journey. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and enjoyable experience. To enhance your Roblox experience, utilize Opera GX's unique GX control panel. This powerful feature allows you to manage your CPU, RAM, and network usage effectively. You can enable the network limiter to prioritize Roblox's internet connection, ensuring minimal lag. Additionally, adjust the RAM limiter to free up valuable memory, leading to significantly smoother gameplay. These optimizations provide a superior gaming environment. Once Opera GX is optimized, launching Roblox is straightforward. Navigate to the Roblox website within your browser and select any game you wish to play. If prompted, allow the Roblox player to download and install. This is a quick, one-time process. Should you encounter issues, check for conflicting browser extensions or ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Most problems are easily resolved with these simple checks. Beyond performance, Opera GX offers features to enrich your overall Roblox experience. Consider utilizing the browser's built-in VPN for secure and private browsing while gaming. Explore the GX Corner, a dedicated hub for gaming news, release dates, and even free game offers. You can also customize your browser with unique themes and sound effects, making your gaming setup truly personalized and immersive. Enjoy these added benefits.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.